In this video, I'll review MailerLite, a really popular email marketing tool that could help you grow your business to the next level. I'm going to answer all your burning questions, including about the pricing plans, the automation features, ease of use and user interface, integrations with other platforms, and so much more. Keep in mind that using the wrong email marketing platform can waste a lot of time and cost you a lot of money with your business. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. For your convenience, I've included the link to MailerLite in the description below so you can follow along or check it out later at your convenience. So first of all, let's talk about the pricing because I'm sure that's really interesting to you. As you can see, I'm on the pricing site here, and you can see you can get billed either yearly or monthly. If you get billed monthly, it's a little bit more expensive. You'll save 10% by paying annually. And so if we look at the prices, it's $20 a month for advanced. With the growing business plan for $10 a month, you can start completely for free, which is what I would recommend because you can get your first 1,000 subscribers without having to spend any money. You can send 12,000 monthly emails, and you also get 24/7 email and chat support for up to 30 days as well with the free plan. So check it out in the description, and you can see all the things that are included in each of these plans. If you are a big company, if you have over 100,000 subscribers for your email list, then you should check out the enterprise plan, and they're going to have a custom monthly subscription or pricing option for you. Now let's talk about the ease of use. So MailerLite's interface is really clean and intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate. The dashboard is organized, and so you can access the key features and analytics easily. They also offer a lot of different support and resources. So if you look at the resources section, they've got a knowledge base, they've got video tutorials. You can even hire a approved consultant to help you with your business. There's blogs and case studies and Q&As and so much more. So if you need any kind of help getting set up or started with MailerLite, they have all the information you can need. They even have courses that you can get started with that are completely for free. Now, what about the email design and templates? MailerLite offers a variety of email templates designed for different industries and purposes. The email editor allows significant customization, so you can actually modify your template to match your brand identity. What about automation and workflows? MailerLite offers robust automation tools to create workflows like automated email sequences and conditional triggers. For segmentation and personalization, MailerLite provides powerful segmentation options, so you can actually create detailed segments based on your subscriber behavior, their demographic, and other criteria. That way you can actually personalize your emails with subscriber data like their names and custom fields, so you can actually have more tailored and efficient communication with your subscribers. As far as integrations goes, you can see they're able to integrate with pretty much every type of software you can think of. If you already have a business set up and you're using different softwares and tools and you want to make sure that the email marketing platform you use, chances are MailerLite will integrate with it. You can see all the different platforms that you can connect with it. For deliverability, MailerLite is known for its high deliverability rates, which means that emails will actually reach your subscribers' inboxes instead of landing in their spam folder. They also have spam testing tools to actually help with this as well. For analytics and reporting, MailerLite offers comprehensive reporting tools that give you insights into really important metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. For contact management, MailerLite makes it easy to manage your subscribers with tools for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. So they've got these bulk processing tools that you can use to kind of move subscribers or add them or delete them and stuff like that. This is going to be really useful if you're migrating from a different email marketing platform. If you decide to try out MailerLite, you can simply just import all of your subscribers into MailerLite at once with just a couple clicks of a button. For A/B testing, MailerLite provides a really good A/B testing functionality. You can test the subject line, the actual content of your emails, as well as the time that you send it at. So you can test, the best time to send your emails to optimize for opens and people actually reading them. MailerLite's email templates are also really mobile responsive, which means that the emails will look good on people's phones. That's really important because more and more people are using their phones to check their emails instead of their laptop. Overall, MailerLite is a really versatile email marketing platform that offers a huge range of features that are good for small to medium sized businesses. It's really user friendly, they have robust automation capabilities, really good customer support, and of course, you can get started completely for free. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Check the link in the description to try out MailerLite completely for free for 30 days. No credit card required. Thanks for watching.